We don't expect there to be anything living, but the building blocks of life. And that's really what motivated the collection of this, going to this type of asteroid, is to understand what the precursors were that may have fostered life in our solar system and on Earth.
These samples haven't hit the Earth. They haven't been exposed to our atmosphere. They haven't been exposed to really anything except harsh space for billions of years. And these samples will help us to determine whether what we really think is true is true. Bennu is a carbon-rich, organic-rich body. It's going to bring us back a lot of samples that we can look at that will help us figure out what was here, what was available. And if we can figure out what happened here on the Earth, that helps us to extrapolate to other bodies, where we might look or how we might interpret what we're seeing.